Allocating funds in ICICIdirect, an online trading and investment platform, involves distributing your investment capital across various financial instruments. Here's a guide. Log into ICICIdirect account. Access your ICICIdirect account through the official website using your login credentials. Navigate to Investment section. Within your account dashboard, find the section related to investments. This could be labeled as investments or portfolio. Review investment options. Explore the range of investment options available on ICICIdirect, including stocks, mutual funds, bonds, or other financial instruments. Set financial goals. Define your financial goals and risk tolerance. This will guide your asset allocation strategy. Diversification. Adopt a diversified approach by allocating funds across different asset classes. This helps spread risk and optimize returns. Stock allocation. If you're interested in stocks, allocate a portion of your funds to equities based on your risk profile and market outlook. Mutual fund investments. Consider mutual funds for a professionally managed and diversified portfolio. Allocate funds to different mutual fund schemes based on your investment objectives. Review and adjust. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and adjust your allocations as needed. Market conditions and your financial goals may evolve over time. Utilize research tools. Leverage ICICIdirect's research tools to make informed investment decisions. Stay updated on market trends and news. Execute orders. Once your allocation strategy is decided, execute buy orders for the chosen securities through the ICICIdirect trading platform.